Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access and the exact dataset slug so you don't waste time. Once you sign in, enable API access and download Kaggle. JSON, make sure file permissions are secure. Then install the Kaggle CLI and verify it works by running a list command. This first step ensures you can script downloads and reproducible workflows, so you avoid manual clicks later and prepare for larger data or repeatable experiments. Now you download and verify the data. Use the Kaggle CLI to fetch and unzip. Once done, inspect file sizes to avoid out-of-memory surprises. Open key tables with pandas read CSV and use head to confirm columns and dtypes. For images or binary files, load a few with PIL or OpenCV to confirm they're readable. These checks let you design preprocessing steps and choose memory strategies, such as chunking large CSVs or converting formats for fast. You finish by cleaning and integrating the data into your workflow. Write a reproducible preprocessing script that fills or drops missing values, normalizes numeric fields, encodes categories, and writes out compact files. Test your pipeline on a small sample first to catch logic errors quickly. If something breaks, inspect encoding, look for malformed rows or type mismatches, and consult your logs. Fix the source cleaning step and rerun only the affected stages to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.